on to number 12, the NatWest Trophy. The year 2002. It was a big year for the Indian Railways as their modernization took pace. For the first time, they launched an online train ticket reservation system and India started moving more smoothly. For the first time, the Incredible India ad campaign was launched and tourism grew to India by 16%. The first phase of the Delhi Metro was launched, was inaugurated by the then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And closer to our game, a proud, aggressive young Indian told the world that we will not bow down before you. It was the year of the NatWest Trophy, a triumph for Seva.
Followed him. Ganguly's vigil comes to an end. Ball in. Sehwag, misjudgment, misses the ball. The Scot stripped to the wicket. Ball in. This was on the cards.
If you read the scoreboard in a tenth final as 146 with the loss of 5 wickets, chances are you would resign to fate and say, here we go again, we are going to lose this one.
सचिन आउट हुए, लोग टीवी बंद करते थे और चलो यार अब गप्पे शप्पे मारते हैं, जो भी काम करना निकल गए। मेरे खुद के पेरेंट्स जब सचिन आउट हुए तो वो लॉक किया दरवाजा और चले गए देवदास मूवी देखने।
But the true fans stuck to their TV sets and prayed hard to the cricket gods as India was staring at a massive total of 325 set by the host. And young boys at the crease were soon going to be transformed to men India would depend on.
That time John Wright was the coach and he didn't have much confidence in me. He always said to Saurav that he's very vulnerable and he needs to go into domestic cricket. But Saurav said that trust me on this, that he will eventually be a match winner for India.
All hopes were on these two new boys who were finding their ground in their one-day team.
Oh, what a shot that is!
They put up a tremendous 121-run partnership for the 6th wicket.
Let's pull that away brutally, and it's gone for 4. Shot. That's a lovely blow by Mohammad Kaif. It was a slow ball. Big swing of the bat from Yuvraj. In the air, taken.
I got out of the stage where we needed 50 or 50 balls. So we were on the target. I remember playing a very silly shot. I would never do that if ever stage comes again. I might get out, but I won't play that shot.
और उस दिन था होना था, मेरे लक में लिखा था कि ये दिन मेरा है, ये दिन मोहम्मद कैफ का, यहाँ से थोड़ा सा एक हिस्ट्री बननी है, एक इतिहास बनना है।
That's edged, and he finds the boundary.
लास्ट ओवर में हमेशा 2 रन चाहिए था, 2 बॉल डॉट के लिए उन्होंने तो मुझे लगा कि शायद ज़हीर खान कुछ गड़बड़ कर सकता है। मैंने कहा ज़हीर खान ये बॉल तुम कहीं भी लगाओ, मैं भागने वाला हूँ, ये आ रहा हूँ मैं रन लेने, बस इससे ज़्यादा मैं वेट नहीं कर सकता कि तुम 2-3 बॉल डॉट खेल गए, ये भी खेल जाओगे तो मैं फंस जाऊँगा।
Goes for the single. Direct hit was required. They don't get it. Zahir scampers for the second. India have won.
These were Destiny's men, handpicked to create history. An extraordinary match with the hero extracting revenge and indulging in a war dance. This was inspired cricket at its best.
I had to be there to get my team going. We Indians are very laid back. If we find a good soft corner, we'll go and take that corner. And to get the team going, because we didn't want to lose. We didn't want to be battered every time we played cricket. We didn't want to go back to the dressing room and say, hard luck boys all the time. We'll be a better team next time. But the next time had to come.
In 2013, India became the world's 3rd largest internet user, surpassing Japan only behind the USA and China. In fact, India is now number 2. On the cricketing front as well, there was an ICC trophy that was won. Mahendra Singh Dhoni became the only captain to win a T20 World Championship, a World Cup, and in 2013, the Champions Trophy. That's number 11.
It was upon winning this tournament that Captain Kool Mahi's silverware count was complete. It did rain earlier in the final, but India reigned in the win. Skipper Dhoni was just the opposite of how we remember him after the 2011 win. Not composed, but overjoyed.
Treadwell misses, Dhoni misses, but it doesn't matter. India win the Champions Trophy. And Mahendra Singh Dhoni, well, this was the one trophy he didn't have. He's got it now.
For us, it was these two men who opened the floodgates of runs, quite literally.
मेरा यही सपना था कि मैं इंटरनेशनल में भी अच्छा करूँ। मैं हमेशा सोचता था कि अगर मैं रणजी 10 साल खेल के अच्छा किया 10 साल और IPL 6 साल मैंने अच्छा किया तो मैं इंटरनेशनल में भी अगर टिकूँगा तो मैं अच्छा करूँगा। बस यही था, ब्रेक थ्रू की वेट कर रहा था। स्पेशली ये टूर्नामेंट में 3 साल के बाद मेरा कमबैक हुआ वनडे टीम में, तो काफ़ी बड़ा था। और ये था कि मेरे को अगर अपना पाँव जमाना है टीम के अंदर तो परफॉर्मेंस ज़रूरी है। और बस कॉन्फिडेंस था कि मैं अपने डोमेस्टिक में अच्छा करके आया था, फिर मैंने टेस्ट टीम में भी अच्छा किया रिसेंटली, तो यही था कि अच्छा करना है और मालिक के पास से सब अच्छा है।
Shikhar Dhawan and Rohit Sharma put together the highest first wicket partnership in the tournament.
Another boundary. And the West Indies cannot contain his two.
What terrific balance he had when he played that shot.
Shikhar was playing with all his might for the country and to cement his position in the one-day side.
मैं आज से 2-3 साल पहले जब मैं बाहर हुआ था इंडियन टीम से, फिर मेरा डोमेस्टिक सीज़न भी काफ़ी ख़राब गया था। एक सीज़न मेरी वजह से एक बारी टीम मैच भी हार गई थी, तो मेरे को काफ़ी बुरा लगा था कि मेरे पास इतना टैलेंट है, सब कुछ है, बट मैं उतना परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा जितना मुझे करना चाहिए, जितना भगवान ने मुझे बख्शी है।
2 back-to-back centuries versus South Africa and West Indies gave us a new hero, gave us a new belief.
It's a magnificent strike.
यही होता था आज से 3-4 साल पहले, टैलेंट मेरे पास सेम था तो लोग मुझे कहते हैं तू जिताएगा, तो मैं कहता था यार मैं हंसता था। मैंने कहा मेरे को खुद ही नहीं पता कि मैं जिता पाऊंगा नहीं जिता पाऊंगा, कि मेरे को लगता है कि मैं कब कौन सी शॉट मार दूंगा मुझे नहीं पता, बट आज ये पता है कि हाँ मैं अगर खड़ा हो गया मैं जिता।
We beat Pakistan.
We are all set for this match. It's Pakistan. They're taking on their familiar rivals India today.
Taken comfortably. Oh, what a catch it goes. It's gone.
Semi-final up against familiar foe Sri Lanka, where another batsman came to the party. Dhawan along with Virat were the key scorers for India in a rain-truncated final. Dhoni gambled on Ishant Sharma and it paid off.
He's heaved it over. There is a man there.
And finally, India were crowned winners of the Champions Trophy.
Treadwell misses. Dhoni misses, but it doesn't matter.
The winners of the Champions Trophy 2013, India.
The dashing opener had taken India to victory.
It was a wonderful win, that, a Champions Trophy. India surprised a lot of people by the manner in which they played limited overs cricket. Time for a break now. When we come back, we'll be at number 10 on our countdown. And here's a hint. Number 10 also came in England.